Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Square Loans repayment options. As a small business owner who has utilized Square Loans, I can tell you the main repayment option is designed for flexibility, which I found to be a massive benefit for managing cash flow. It's built around your sales, so there are no rigid monthly payments that might crush you during a slow season. Here's how it works. Automatic repayment via daily card sales. Fixed percentage. When you accept the loan, you agree to a fixed percentage of your daily card sales processed through Square that goes directly toward your loan repayment. This percentage stays the same for the life of the loan. Variable payment amount. Since the amount repaid is based on a percentage of your sales, it naturally fluctuates. On busy days, your repayment is higher, and on slow days, it's lower. If you have no sales, you pay nothing that day. This mechanism is the core of its flexibility and was a lifesaver for me when I had unexpected dips in business. No interest, just a fixed fee. Square Loans operates with a fixed fee determined at the start, not compounding interest. The total cost of the loan is transparent from day one and never changes, regardless of how quickly or slowly you repay it, up to the maximum term. Now, there are a couple of important things to understand. The minimum repayment requirement. Even with the flexibility, there's a safety net for Square. You are required to pay a minimum of 1/18th of your initial loan balance every 60 days. This ensures the loan is on track to be fully repaid within the maximum 18-month term. If your daily sales percentage hasn't covered this minimum, the difference will be debited from your linked bank account. Prepayments. You can make manual, extra payments at any time at no extra cost, without penalty. Since the total loan cost is a fixed fee and not interest, making prepayments won't save you money on the fee itself, but it can accelerate your repayment and make you eligible for another loan offer sooner, which is what I personally focused on. In short, the best repayment option is the automatic one tied to your daily card sales. It's easy, it's automatic, and it adapts to your business's cash flow, giving you peace of mind. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.